These are just some of the things available in the 2018 Chevrolet Traverse. For instance, you do have a universal home remote. It's located right up here. So for the universal home remote system, super simple. It only takes about 2 or 3 minutes. What this does for you is let you have 3 different garages that you can program instead of having the clicker in your visor. What you do is you pull to whichever garage door you want to program, and you push and hold this, and it will interact, and there's a series of beeps that you'll hear, and press it again. Moving down, on certain trim levels, you actually have a full color touch screen. What this does is put the entire vehicle right at my fingertips. For the audio, I simply push it, and this allows me to navigate through all of my audio options. So AM, FM, XM radio, which 2018 Chevrolet Traverses come with a complimentary 3-month trial of XM radio. Chevrolet makes it super simple to navigate through the touchscreen. If you do get turned around, all you have to do is push the home button right here, and it goes back to this. This is kind of like my desktop or the main screen. For your phone, for your Bluetooth, it's also super simple, really user-friendly. You push it. Here at Edward Chevrolet, we can help you pair your phone. Once it's paired, all your devices will be here. And again, just to remind you, on the 2018 Chevrolet Traverse, you can pair up to 7 devices, and it keeps them all separate. Another thing that my Chevrolet Traverse customers really love that they've included on trim levels of the 2018 is this feature. This full color display actually goes up and down. You simply press this button right here on your center console. It's a recessed area, and what this does, it has a USB port. So for instance, if you're at the pool or the lake or a family function or family reunion and you don't want to keep your cell phone with you or your wallet or something, you can actually put it in this area. Your cell phone can charge if you have a cell phone in this area, and simply press this button again, and the full color touchscreen will lower, and it'll keep things secure until you, the driver, or the passenger with the key fob are actually inside the vehicle. Now let's take a look at some of the other technology that Chevrolet has put into the 2018 Chevrolet Traverse. For navigation, I simply push it, and it brings up all of my navigation options. I can zoom in and zoom out by using the push buttons, or I can click and drag with my fingers and pinch, and that will also zoom in and zoom out. They've also made the destination function super simple to use. A lot of my customers really love this. Simply push the destination button, and it's going to give you options. Once your phone is paired with a Bluetooth, you can pull the address from your contacts. If you don't know the address, simply type an intersection. It memorizes your recent destinations, or a lot of my customers really love this one, is the places of interest, or POIs. If you're exploring a new city you've not been to, or you're on a road trip, simply hit places of interest nearby, and it lets me select by type. So let's say, for instance, I'm on a road trip or on vacation and we're running low on gas. I simply push fuel stations, and it brings up the nearest by geographic distance and their reporting price on unleaded fuel for that day. If I want to go there, I simply push the button, and if I hit go, it'll automatically give me directions on how to get there. Now, coming back here, let's say, for instance, I'm on a road trip or vacation or a softball tournament, and hey, the kids are hungry, or grandma or grandpa's hungry, or friends are getting hungry, it's time to eat. You simply push food and nightlife in the navigation menu, click restaurants, and it will literally list by type of restaurant. So let's say it's morning and I'm really hungry for breakfast. I hit breakfast. It brings up the closest breakfast restaurants. If I hit that, it automatically is going to show me and give me turn-by-turn directions on how to get there. Another feature my customers love is, let's say there is a restaurant, I'm not sure what type, I just know the name. I simply go to spell name, and I can actually type in the name of the restaurant. Also, another technology feature that my customers love in the 2018 Chevrolet Traverse is talk to text. Everybody's texting nowadays. Why not put it in, and why not make it capable with your Bluetooth enabled phone? What that does for you is you simply push the push to talk button and say text, and say a name from your contacts. So text Andrew, text James, text the boss, And what it will do is mute your audio and come through your speakers, ask you the text message, what you want to say. Hey, meet me at the golf course. Let's do dinner at 6. Can you pick up the kids for me at 5:30? It'll read it back to you, ask you if you want to send it. You say yes, it'll automatically send without you texting on your phone. Now, another nice feature that my customers love, and this gets into safety a little bit, is the teen driver feature. If you do have a 2018 Chevrolet Traverse and you are considering letting an employee drive it, a loved one, or even a child, you can use the teen driver feature on the 2018 Chevrolet Traverse. Going into settings right here, you simply set up a 4-digit code on your phone or in the vehicle, and that enables all the safety features that come with the teen driver feature. In settings, you can also click vehicle and then collision and detection systems. Now what this does is allows you to toggle on and off all the safety features of your 2018 Chevrolet Traverse. If I wanted to, for instance, on front pedestrian braking, if I want to turn it off, I can do that. If I simply want to hear the audible alert, I can do that. Or if I wanted to alert and brake the vehicle, I can do that as well. I can go through every single safety feature and turn it on or off inside the vehicle. We are super excited about the steering wheel controls, and here's why. Chevrolet has managed to put your tech features, your safety features, and your convenience features all right here. This push pad, what this does is bring over the fully functional touchscreen menu right here to my heads-up display. Simply push the left button here. That brings up your touchscreen menu here. And I use the up and down buttons, and that allows me to rotate through the same touchscreen menu, but right here in my heads-up display. Now going over to my left here, I have forward collision alert. I simply push this button. That's going to toggle the distance between far, medium, and close. If I push it again, it goes back to the far distance. Also here I access my cruise control, and down here I have my heated steering wheel. My tabs here on the back side of the steering wheel are actually going to toggle through all my favorites on my audio channels. The nice thing for you is this goes through AM, FM, XM, and songs in your iTunes or in your Apple CarPlay. Hey, thanks for your time today. We really appreciate it here at Edwards. Again, if you have any questions or whatnot, feel free to contact us here at Edwards Chevrolet. Also, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. My customers have found there's a lot of valuable content on there for them. Again, I'm Lenny. Thanks for watching. And again, come check us out here at Edwards Chevrolet.